dewdrops on the leaves. The birds begin their gentle songs, a melody that weaves. Oh, the beauty of the earth, from mountains high to oceans blue. The sky so wide, the trees so tall. Nature's splendor, it moves us all. The rivers flow with grace and might, through valleys green and wide. The flowers bloom with colors bright, in nature's arms we hide. Oh, the beauty of the earth, from mountains high to oceans birth. The sky so wide, the trees so tall. Nature's splendor, it moves us all. Oh, the beauty of the earth, from mountains high to oceans blue. The sky so wide, the trees so tall. Nature's splendor, it moves us all. In every breeze, in every sound, the symphony profound. The stars above, the ground below. In nature's glow we grow. Oh, the beauty of the earth, from mountains high to oceans birth. The sky so wide, the trees so tall. Nature's splendor, it moves us all. So let us cherish every day, the wonders nature brings. In every moment find a way to hear the song it sings. In every breeze, in every sound, a symphony profound. The stars above, the ground below. In nature's glow we grow.